Pumiusha umoya.
Mshayena yelo.
Pumiusha umoya. Pumiusha umoya.
Akufanele ngapha kulo muzi.
Baba.
Baba
Siyeza ke. Sisadila nawe manje. Siyeza ke. Sazoyiqede ya.
Nifuna mina ngiphume ngishiye yena.
Ngicela uPhumiusha umoya.
Mshayena 2-0 to Watford. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Get back out there before I start again.
Welcome to Tiski Diary. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. Asikhulumeni ngendaba yaka Thabang Mathuludi, sizokhuluma ngendaba yaka Tito, sizokhuluma ngendaba yaka Thabo Cele. Thabo Cele is proposed to move to Sundowns. Right, but before bafethu sikhuluma ngama transfer news, let us watch this video.
And if we continue like that, what happened, Tito? You have a problem? You have a problem? Come here, speak. Speak. If you have a problem, don't speak in your. Speak here. Please come in front of everybody and speak. Don't speak in this. I don't like this. Be honest. Where I take you from? Go here to speak. I don't know. You are speaking. So if you have something, come here. Come here. Now, if you have something, speak. I don't like when you speak like this. Okay, so listen to me, please, and start. Don't speak, please. Don't speak. Hey, we are here to listen to this. Okay? But don't speak. I like when you speak to me directly. Don't speak to me directly. Hey, don't speak to me.
I can't wait for a documentary this season. Yamabagani Yamato. I can't wait. Look, check a look. Check a look le. Amehlo ayakhuluma bafethu. Amehlo ayakhuluma. Mapagani sicela ukuthi ninga edit. Don't edit the video. Sifuna ni post raw. We don't want to miss anything. Ni post raw injalo nje. Because the look le yakhuluma le bafana. One of these days kuzoba ne-boxing match. One of these days between these two guys kuzoba ne-boxing match bafethu. Ningayi-edit niposte nje kube njalo. From last season kune-build up, kune-hype. Sifuna ukuyibona ukuthi iphela kanjani bafethu. La something is going to happen. Something is going to happen. Le look le yakhuluma le.
Okay, so qala ngendaba yaka Tito. Yeah, Tito sibonile lapha yana kule video the coach fighting with the player. I think the coach overstepped the boundary. Siyazi ukuthi ama player wekho perfect, but yeah, you don't have to scold a player like that. I think is a family man Tito, abantwana bakhe mabangabona ubaba bamthethisa kanje. No, I don't think and it's trending. I think the Orlando Pirates coach, is he losing the dressing room? Why a TTC player kanje? Simbonile kadlalanga izolo. Pirates winning that game 1-0. Yeah, they have 1 foot in the final, but yeah, the coach there, he overstepped the boundary in my opinion. What's your opinion? Let's talk about that on the comment section below. Do you think Owado bekane right ukuthi akhulume no Maswangai? So simbolilo Maswangai angayingeni le ndaba le yabo le yalama celebration. I have it nazi isithombe sakhona. Yambona naye ume lapha yana yi1 ababheka nje ngathi bayahlanya lapha yasho ukuthi hayi mina ngizingeni ke lezi. But yeah, is he disgruntled? We know that there is a transfer rumor linking him to Pyramids, Rulani Mukona's Pyramids. But yeah, is Tito, and also rumors linking him to Saudi Arabia. Can Orlando Pirates afford to lose Mfukeng no Tito? Probably two of their stars in one season. But yeah, I think if a player is being scolded like that, he's going to be disgruntled, and this is going to cause cliques and divisions in the team. And yeah, ultimately, overdose could cost him to lose his dressing room. Let's talk about that on the comment section below. Indaba ya Mathuludi is gone on strike. Uyakoloza, atoyitoya. Uthi akayi training, trying to force that move to Kaizer Chiefs. Recall Keegan Dolly did the same thing laphayana when he tried to force his move from Mamelodi Sundowns to France. So yeah, now Matuludi it's taking a leaf out of Keegan Dolly's book. Sambona naye uMudau njengoba limele, but last season after the Club World Cup he was trying to force a move, but it didn't work. I believe he was given more money and then he decided to stay at Mamelodi Sundowns. So yeah, Bafetu, let's talk about that. Matuludi, Sundowns going to try and hijack that deal. Yes, but Sundowns are in the market for a right back, and sibonile ukuthi bamhijack kanjani uSiyanda Ndlovu right under the noses of Orlando Pirates. Beseka passing a medical yafika iMamelodi Sundowns amsayina kuqala. And yeah, he looks happy laphayana ku Mamelodi Sundowns. When the video yakhe afaka amaboots shaying drama laphayana, yeah, so it looks happy, and sambona makangena laphayana against the Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah, uyahlupha man, uyahlupha uyadlala lo mfana uSiyanda Ndlovu. He was hot property. So yeah, Mamelodi Sundowns managing to hijack that deal. Mamelodi Sundowns going to hijack Matuludi right under the noses of Kaizer Chiefs. The player has said he wants to move to Naturena or nothing else. Sibonile iLokhuzana, iPolokwane City, they don't sell to Kaizer Chiefs. Why bangayithengiseli? We saw even with Oswin Apollos, the Kaizer Chiefs made a bafaka imali eningi than Orlando Pirates, but Polokwane chose to sell to Orlando Pirates anyway. Yini into eyenza ukuthi bangazwani those two teams? Do you think maybe that could be the deciding factor ukuthi uMatuludi uyakuphi where he ends up? Because obviously he still under contract lapha kuPolokwane City. So yeah, I think the club has the edge, and even if the player can go on strike, isn't ezinjalo, I think he'll be free to negotiate or to sign a pre-contract in Jan. So yeah, it's maybe the player does have a say. Let's talk about it on the comment section below. Do you think Mamelodi Sundowns will be able to hijack that transfer? Yeah, okay. Chiefs ishayile Rumo Lions 5-0. Guys, I told you about that friendly. Mtushabalala scoring a brace, Upili scoring 1 goal, Vilakazi scoring 1, and Lebu Maboe scoring 1. The Rumo Lions chairman Bafethu. Hey, ngiyambona la yeah ne ngicela ukuthi angikwazi angisign. So yeah, guys, that is Kaizer Chiefs beating Lerumo Lions. With that, you saw the lady at FNB. That is Kaizer Chiefs keeping themselves busy since baphumile laphayana ku MTN 8. And then indaba yaka Thabo Cele bathi he is set to replace Jaden Adams, the late Jaden Adams at Mamelodi Sundowns. Ngibonile, you guys did watch the video where I told you that he was back at training with Kaizer Chiefs. If animbonanga ukuthi uthini Thabo Cele, let me play you his clip.
Lokho simile ngale qiniso induna yendawo ngeqiniso nanti iqiniso.
Yeah, that was Thabo Cele, guys. Ubuyile lapha ku training, is back at training with Kaizer Chiefs. But yeah, disturbing news is that Mamelodi Sundowns are trying to sign him. So yeah, I'm not happy to report this. It's a rumor. There's no substance to it at this stage. But niyazi, there's no smoke without fire. So Thabo Cele, do you think it would be a good replacement for Kaizer Chiefs? Is it going to be a loss to the team? Simbonile last season it didn't play much because of that. I think the trio of Umaboe, Nomthetho, Ndlovu, they are stamping their authority in the midfield, and Thabo Cele is currently behind in the pecking order. But yamazi ukuthi equality manu Lokhuzana induna yendawo. So yeah, I'm not happy to hear that Mamelodi Sundowns are they trying to destabilize Ikosi? Sabona basayina uMaluleke kanjani 2019. I think that ultimately cost Kaizer Chiefs the league. So but Umaluleke, he was a vital cog in the team, and Thabo Cele, we can argue about it. I wouldn't say he's a vital cog in the team, but can they afford to lose Mtasingwa? I don't think he has settled yet. Let's give a chance now, a couple of games. The jury is still out on Mtasingwa, but is he better than Thabo Cele? I mean, I don't think so. I don't think so. And I told you guys, Dillion Shepard is he worked his socks to talk to Kaizer Chiefs management to bring Thabo Cele back to the team, and he's back at training. Imzwile lapha na kuleya video uthi Kaizer Chiefs iliqiniso, and yeah, will Chiefs sell him to Mamelodi Sundowns, because they were trying to get rid of him since wadlala lapha wadlala kasi tournament that they are bambiza for a hearing, but now he's back. So yeah, it's not good news ukuthi Sundowns yamfuna, but hey, it is what it is. Mela hambe, mela hlale, but yeah, it's into esingakhuluma ngayo lapha kuma comments guys. Thabo Cele to Mamelodi Sundowns. Tito Maswangai naye nimbonile nayo yalwa ne coach lapha yana kuyaliwa. Let's talk about that on the comment section below. Nindaba yaga Matuludi, Matuludi Sundowns trying to hijack that Matuludi deal. Let's talk about that on the on the comment section below. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye bye.